It says the graph of the parent function was transformed such that the result is the function f. So these changes apply to tangent as well. So that means that the amplitude is a. Now, when we change the amplitude, that is a vertical compression or stretch. So basically, if my y value was 3, when I multiplied it by 1/3, now my y value becomes 1. So that means this is a vertical compression. So whenever it is a fraction between 0 and 1 or 0 and -1, it's a compression. It's a vertical compression. And then d is equal to 2, so that means you're going to shift it up 2 units, right? So if I think of tangent, well, that's not a very good graph. That's still not a very good graph. Let's just use the graphing calculator. It's really hard to do it on this. So if I just do regular tangent, because that's what we're talking about, is like, how do I graph regular tangent? Tangent has a period of pi, and it has y-intercepts at negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. It has a vertical asymptote, actually. Pi over 2, not the, well, let me graph it. I'll explain it. And so basically, we're going to take tangent and we're going to transform it. So, and then I'll explain what A does and what D is doing. So if I just plug in tangent of x, and I clear this out. That's what it looks like. And it actually has intercepts at pi, if I remember correctly. So, yeah, because the asymptotes are at half pi and negative half pi. So, let me take a screenshot of that. So the 1/3 is just going to vertically, and I'm going to do this in steps, okay? So let's put this down. That's tangent. That's plain old tangent. Now the next thing I'm going to do is the compression. So now I'm going to go back into the calculator, and I'm going to change this to 1 divided by 3. Oops. And then I'm going to graph that. And you may not, it's subtle, but it's there. What it does is it's compressing it vertically because the y values are 1/3 of what they were originally. Okay, so let's take a screenshot of that. And so as you can see, as we go from step 1 to step 2, it's just compressing it vertically. And then lastly, we're going to tack on that the plus 2. And all that's going to do is shift it up 2 units. And let's take a screenshot of that. And that's basically it. That's what we do. So the original function here, the 1/3 vertically compresses it. See how it's shorter. And then this one just shifts it up 2 units. And that's it.